Hi, this is Felicia Rodriguez with WPBF 25. I know this is not the graduation you had envisioned. You've worked so hard to get here, and your achievements need to be celebrated. The world may be a bit scary right now, but believe in all the good being done in our community and across the country. Things will continue to improve, and after the summer, many of you will go off to college and embark on new adventures. If there's any advice I can offer, it's this: find what makes you happy and do it. As we've learned over the last few months, life is precious and time is short. So call mom. Trust me, those calls will get more frequent the older you get. And choose love every time. Graduates, there are no guarantees in life, but I promise you this: better days are ahead for all of us. Congratulations.